At the recent Indo-Defense 2025 exhibition in Jakarta, Indonesian defense manufacturer PT Sentra Surya Ekajaya, PTSSE, debuted its latest armored personnel carrier, the P-2 Tiger 4x4, marking a significant milestone in bilateral defense collaboration with French company Texelis. This new vehicle, crafted to fulfill the operational demands of the Indonesian military, represents a symbol of strengthened ties between the two nations as they celebrate 75 years of diplomatic relations. Built on the French-designed Celeris platform, the P-2 Tiger is a robust 18-ton 4x4 armored vehicle assembled domestically in Indonesia. This platform, shared with France's own Serval armored vehicle, integrates a powerful 375 horsepower Cummins engine, an Allison 6-speed automatic gearbox, specialized Texelis axles, and independent suspension paired with a Teleflow central tire inflation system, elements engineered for superior performance across challenging terrains. Displayed at PTSSE's booth in its armored personnel carrier form, the P-2 Tiger is equipped with a remotely controlled 20mm turret and a Metrovib Pilar V gunshot detection system. It can carry a total of 10 personnel, including 2 crew members and an 8-man squad arranged internally in a 2+2+6 seating layout. The vehicle features side doors positioned centrally and individual firing positions for occupants. Its armor complies with STANAG 4569 protection levels, ranging from level 2 to level 4 depending on configuration, ensuring effective defense against ballistic impacts and explosive threats. PTSSE handles key responsibilities including structural engineering, armor welding, systems integration, and final assembly at their Tangerang facility. This project involves a close technology transfer with Texelis, focusing primarily on mobility systems, with ongoing support from French engineers throughout critical stages such as design, industrialization, and dynamic performance testing. Initiated in early 2023, the collaboration accelerated the prototype's completion within a remarkable timeframe of less than 1 year, underscoring the efficiency of this joint endeavor. In line with Indonesia's modern military deployment strategies, the P-2 Tiger is designed for rapid strategic mobility. 2 units can be airlifted simultaneously by a single A-400M transport aircraft without requiring configuration changes, facilitating swift and flexible troop movements. Beyond mechanical supply, Texelis extends comprehensive support including software integration, maintenance scheduling, and technical training, all contributing to PTSSE's evolving production expertise. The P-2 Tiger stands as the pinnacle of PTSSE's armored vehicle lineup, complementing its existing lighter models like the P-6ATAV and the P-2KM. This launch underscores Indonesia's strategic approach of developing a sovereign defense industry through partnerships that blend homegrown manufacturing with advanced international technology. The initiative enjoys strong endorsement from Indonesia's Ministry of Defense, France's Direction Générale de l'Armement, DGA, and collaborative organizations such as JICAT and INAFRA, aligning with both countries' goals for industrial growth and defense capability enhancement. Ultimately, the P-2 Tiger 4x4 symbolizes a significant leap forward for Indonesia's defense industrial base. It combines European engineering excellence with local assembly expertise, addressing national operational needs and positioning Indonesia as a potential supplier in regional defense markets. This project exemplifies a pragmatic and balanced industrial cooperation, fostering technological exchange while advancing Indonesia's aspirations for autonomous production and regional defense prominence.